So I just want to document my process, how I got everything set up with my resin printer. So I bought a resin printer, the Photon Mono X Saturn, the larger one, and I got the wash and cure station. I think it's a 2.0 with it. It's the larger one as well. And I originally had it set up in my garage, thinking like, oh, if I have it in my garage, there's decent ventilation. And although that's sort of true, you don't get good ventilation unless your garage doors are open. And there's some air kind of pushing it out towards the outside of the garage. But when it comes to resin printing, those fumes are very strong, and they get everywhere. They sneak into the house. So for example, this garage door is closed. I'm printing at night. It's kind of cold. I don't want to open the garage up. Those fumes are gonna get all over. And my brother lives right upstairs in this garage, above his garage, and he is really allergic. And it's been a battle trying to. It's been a struggle trying to come up with a solution. But I came up with a solution already, and that's why I'm making this video. I want to document it. I want to share this with everybody. And it was a pain in the ass. I'm not gonna lie. Damn near, I think he wanted me to sell the damn machine. I'm not doing that, no way. So I'm a manufacturer engineer, and when there's a problem, come up with solutions. All right, especially when it comes to processes. This is what I do. So let me just get this started. I'm gonna put this camera on my chest. You got it? All right. So this is, I don't know if you can see, this is what I came up with. So this is a Creality CR10 enclosure. Everything is in there. I made this into a setup where nothing comes out. No fume comes out, fumeless. Even post-processing or pre-processing, it is all contained inside the enclosure. This enclosure is sucking everything out with this fan I got on Amazon. Now I made a previous video about this, but this is like an update. This was in a previous video. I printed this out with an FDM printer, that's PET-G. This is a 6-inch to 4-inch converter because this is a 4-inch diameter hole. This is a carbon filter, so it filters out pretty much all the crap. No smell, no cancer. So the great thing about this enclosure, there are some, you can kind of sneak wires in there. So this is a wire for an LED. As well, you can sneak in the power to the actual Photon Mono X and the wash and cure machine. And let me show you the magic. So just want to make sure I could see this. You guys can see this well. Okay. So when I print, I have to sit down like this. It's on the floor. Now, if you set this up, you can probably put it on a table. It doesn't need to be on the floor. I just like to save space like this in my garage. So as you can see, all the air is there's a lot of it's sucking up all the air. The vacuum's on the high setting. I put the controller right here. So if I want to turn it off, which I don't know why you'd want to, but you could if there's nothing in there. I want to turn it off, it's right there, it's easy. If I want to change the fan speed, I keep it on high all the time, but notice if I keep it high, oh, it's like, it causes, you don't want to put it on high and close it. Everything's going to get fucked up in there because it's like a complete vacuum. So when I work like this. Grab a new glove right here, put them on, and I have all my tools I need right there in this tote. You guys can see this tote has all the tools I need. There's a paper towels right here. I used to have the paper towels above here, but the issue with that is I would get sticky hands, and or his hands filled with resin. And when I'm grabbing, I'm letting out a lot of fumes with those resin-filled gloves. And my brother would still get allergic reactions, and it was pissing me off. Another neat solution I came up with was, you see how the lids are above? Let me see if you guys can see this. I'm just gonna open this up for the sake of this video. And he's not home right now. But you don't need to open this up when you're working. These lids are now above. I made this PVC pipe, put PVC pipe here, put a little bit of tape to give it a nice grip in there, underneath, between the PVC pipe, and have it on the other side. And basically that's like a hanger. And I 3D printed that hook so I can just put the lids above. It's so ergonomic, it's very easy to do. I'll just give you an example. On, off. What's amazing about this is that when I'm doing post-processing, I used to not have it this way. I would take out the lids, put them over here on the side. The issue with that is that, for example, for more of an issue with this lid, is that there is a bunch of fumes still trapped in this lid. And when you take it out there, you're defeating the whole purpose of having an enclosure, because you're letting out the fumes in the garage, in your room, whatever. So now it's all contained here. Notice I also put a little wise camera right behind there. I could see the fucking print's failing. You know, check the status. It's magnetic, so this is all metal. Sticks on there pretty nice. Got a tray, you know, tray's essential. We all know this. Got a plastic bag for, Ziploc bag, my bad, for the resin. And honestly, this is such an easy process now, headache free. Don't have to worry about my brother getting sick. And it just makes a huge difference to have it set up like this. I'm essentially eliminating all fumes, and you don't have to worry much. As far as other things I did, I don't know what else I have to talk about, but maybe the paper towel, this is another thing, yeah. Let me think. I think that's about it. Nothing really too special, kinda. It's a little special. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I put a lot of thought into this, so yeah.